Today we are removing and replacing a cover on a matrix cushion. Start by unzipping the cover and releasing the top rear corners. Do not pull up or forward on the cover, causing unnecessary stress on the zipper seam. Remove the bottom rear corners, and then from the front, pull to remove the cushion. Again, we do not want to pull forward on the cover and cause extra stress on that seam. If there is aggressive contouring, use a hand to help guide the cover over the cushion by pinching the cover in front of the seam. This will allow us to properly remove the cover from the cushion many times with increased longevity. When replacing the cushion cover, it is important to set all 4 bottom corners first. We start by sliding the front end of the cushion inside the cover, and then work to align the front bottom corners. If there is bunching, pinch the top in front to help, or use a hand to guide it from in front of the zipper seam. You can get the best leverage without adding stress to the zipper seam. Once those corners are fitting, you can align the rear bottom corners as well. So now all 4 bottom corners are placed. Front and top corners are next. Reach inside the cover to help guide it over the front and lateral contours. Do not tug behind the zipper seam and add unnecessary stress. Pull up and over from the front edge. Align and tuck the rear top corners of the cushion into the cover, and finish by closing the zipper.